Here I have KRUGER MATZ Flow 5 and let me show you how to take screenshots on the following device. So at the very beginning, let's start by using your home screen. Tap apps icon, let's open the screen that you want to capture. In my case it could be the calendar. So let's just simply assume that I want to save the following screen. So all I have to do is use the following combination of keys, power key and volume down. Let's hold down together these two keys just for about 2 seconds. Let me show you. As you can see and hear, the device just took a screenshot, so let me show you again. Let's hold down together power key and volume down simultaneously, and you just save the following screen. So now if you would like to share, edit, delete or do whatever you want with the following pictures, let's open the screenshot folder. You can do it by using the following screenshot captured, or you can also accomplish that by opening the gallery right here. Tap allow gallery to access photos, media, etc. And under albums, let's open the screenshot album, and here you can share, edit, delete or do whatever you want. So everything went well. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave thumbs up under the video.